How to change default email on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Then scroll down the main list to find and tap on Mail. Now, look for the option Default Mail app and tap on it to proceed. A new screen will appear, showing all of the compatible email applications you have installed. The current default is indicated by a check mark. To change it, simply tap on another app from the list. The check mark will move to your new selection, and this app will now be used whenever you tap on a mail to link. Following these steps, you can easily change the default email on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.